Okay, today we're going to talk about science. We're going to talk about the alternation of generations. Now, all of the cells in your body are diploid, except for sperm or egg cells, and those are haploid. Diploid means that the chromosomes travel in pairs, and haploid means that you only have a single set of chromosomes. This is the way that humans do it. All humans are diploid organisms. But not all organisms do it this way. Some organisms have an alternation of generations. What this means is that a diploid parent will make a haploid offspring, which will then make a diploid offspring, which will then cycle around again and make a haploid offspring. The generations alternate. Let me give you an example, the one that I remember. Ferns have spores on the underside of their leaves. Now, ferns are diploid organisms. All of the cells in the fern have pairs, but the spores are haploid. Half the number of chromosomes are in the spores. The spores fall off the back of the leaf and sometimes travel a little bit, and then they germinate into a little plant that looks nothing like a fern. It's completely different. It's a tiny, tiny little plant. It's a little heart-shaped leaf. And the little heart-shaped leaf, I think it's called a thallus, makes sperm and eggs, and the sperm and eggs of the different thalluses get together, and they do their thing, and then they make a diploid organism, which is a fern. Think about this. This is just science fiction stuff. Wouldn't it be weird if people did it this way? I mean, okay, so I don't have to go around looking for a boyfriend or a husband. I just have a baby, but the baby doesn't look anything like me. Maybe it's a kitten or a puppy. I have a puppy. Okay, and then that puppy grows up to be a dog and goes out and finds a mate, and then they have babies, but they don't have puppy babies. They have people babies. This is weird. This is just really strange. And that's nothing compared to the way that mushrooms do it. Maybe we'll talk about mushrooms tomorrow. Okay, now a word from our sponsor.
Redundant.
And now Gandock.
If you do happen to see a snowman singing and dancing in real life, please seek a mental health professional.
And I'll talk with you tomorrow. Bye-bye.